Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I quickly wanted to show you guys my top favorite products that I've been using for the past couple of years. These are the products that I've stuck with because they do my hair really well. My hair is doing great. I'll put a little clip right here so you guys can see. But my hair is doing really well. My ends are way better, and I'm getting a little bit of thickness and stuff like that. And so my hair, yeah, I'm not changing anything. You know how they say if it's not broken, why fix it? Well, finally I can say that because my hair is at a really great place. And so now it's just a matter of trying to get length. And so that's what I'm really working on. So I have all the products. I threw them somewhere back here, but yeah. Let's get started. First ones are any moisturizing shampoos. You can pick any that you want. That's really up to you, but always make sure you get moisturizing shampoo. I've been using this one for a really long time. As you can see, it's running out. But really, shampoo strips out your hair. So you also want to make sure that, if your scalp is not dirty and stuff like that, you get a moisturizing shampoo. All right, the next have been the products that have really grew out my hair. And that is Jamaican black castor oil, sulfur 8, and biotin oil. These have rapidly just increased hair growth for me. Okay, like if you can't get anything, get these, because I'm telling you, using this, I mix them here in this bottle, and I just massage my scalp whenever I remember. I've noticed the difference, especially when I'm like 2 months post relaxer. I do this, and I've just noticed the growth. Okay, I'm telling you guys, try them. Okay. The next one is Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstruction. I've been using this for years. This is really great for getting that keratin into your hair to keep the strength and all that. But it does it in a way where it's moisturizing. So you put this on for like 2 to 3 minutes, let it sit, rinse it out, and your hair will thank you. If your hair's going through it and you have a lot of breakage, shedding, and all that, try this. All right, the next one is this baby. I love it. So this is also another 3-minute Miracle Moist. This is a great detangling moisturizing conditioner. So I use this whenever my hair is not acting up. My hair just needs moisture. I put this for 3 minutes, put a heated cap on, let it sit, and sometimes I keep it longer, like 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm telling you guys, over the years, my hair just loves this product. So yes. All right. The next two products, these are my moisturizing lotions. This one's about to run out. I just got this again. I took a break from it for a while, but I'm back to it. These are really amazing for moisturizing my hair. And one of their first ingredients are water, I believe. Yeah, water is the first ingredient. So that's a really good sign if you're looking for moisturizing lotions for your hair. Make sure it starts with water and all that. They smell really good. They do the job for me when my hair is out, like when I'm wearing my buns and all that. This is what I use, and I seal it with oils. Okay, the next one is this one right here. This has been the one that's really helped me to get my hair, strengthen my hair, and also get a little bit of thickness. It smells really good, and I just take a few pumps, like after I've deep conditioned my hair, put it in there and let it sit, and then I go about blow drying and all that. But something is in this product that's really helped my hair. When I was going through it, my hair was shedding a lot and breaking. This helped out so much, and I've kept using it over the years. All right. The next thing that's a must that I don't go without now, there was a time when I did, is any kind of heat protectant spray. Anytime you're blow drying, flat ironing, and doing all that stuff with heat, please make sure you put this. You use this every single time. It helps so much with my ends. I can't even say anymore. Like, it's been so awesome to always use a heat protectant. I don't know why I didn't do that for so long, but this has been the one that I usually go back to. It works really well for my hair, so I've stuck with it. So those are pretty much the products that have really helped with my hair for the past couple years. My hair is doing great because of them. Check them out. If you have any of these, what are your thoughts? How do you like them? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.